Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So this is still your Chine Skincare. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe. Put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop any new video. Okay, so I really appreciate you. For subscribing and for watching our video. So please, today I'll be taking you people on a glowing oil. Stay tuned, let's do it together. So here are the ingredients and the equipment that we are going to be needing. So for us to achieve this glowing oil, we are going to be needing sunflower oil, which is our base oil, olive oil, turmeric oil, papaya oil, propylene glycol. So here are the oil that we are going to be needing for this glowing oil. So this is an oil that even a black person can use. So I told you that once you start, before you start any production, make sure that you sanitize all the equipment that you're going to be needing. So let's do that now. So I'm using this small plate because we are not going to be needing much and have enough in the shop, so I'm trying to show you people how to do that. So I'm going to sanitize the equipment that we are needing, sanitize everything. This is our measuring spoon, so sanitize all of them. So we're going to pour our base oil, which is a sunflower oil. We are using this as our base oil. So sunflower oil, we are going to be adding 20 ml of sunflower oil. So olive oil, we're going to pour olive oil 15 ml olive oil. So here is our 5 ml. So this is our 10 ml, this is our 5 ml, so that is 15 ml. So papaya, so we've added olive oil 15 ml. So now we're going to add papaya oil 10 ml. Here is our papaya oil. We added 10 ml, and turmeric oil. Turmeric oil, we are going to add 10 ml too. So our glowing oil is ready. So our glowing oil is ready. So you'll be hearing about glowing oil. This is glowing oil. This oil is meant for dark skin, for people that doesn't want to bleach or lighten up. It's just a glowing oil to glow your skin, moisturize your skin. Okay, so this glowing oil is very good for chocolate skin. So make your own today. So here is everything we use. Okay, I've not added propylene glycol. We are going to add propylene glycol. I'm adding 5 ml of propylene glycol. I didn't add propylene glycol, so I've added everything. So we added sunflower oil 20 ml, olive oil 15 ml, papaya oil 10 ml, turmeric oil 10 ml, and then propylene glycol 5 ml. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Here is our glowing oil.